Guys, we're gonna do another versus video today with the original Foodie Grill versus the Ninja Foodie XL Grill coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and I want to thank you all for being here. Guys, we're going to do a quick, easy video today. Obviously, a grilled cheese sandwich is really easy to do, but I've been trying to do a couple of these versus videos, especially as we're getting closer to Christmas, and y'all going to want to get one of these, and you're trying to decide which one you want, the original Foodie Grill or the XL Foodie Grill. So I'm going to do a couple of videos coming up, maybe not in succession, but we're gonna do a couple versus videos. And today we got all the kids in the house, they're all hungry. And what a better way to take care of this with using two grills. And we're gonna make some grilled cheese sandwiches today for all of them, all right? Guys, I'm doing this comparison series because what I've noticed is the heating element for the original is a bit right over the top and it's a bit more consistent heating, okay? And with the XL, the heating element's right in the middle, but there's big gaps on either side of it. So I kind of want to show you, what you're dealing with. We're gonna use a grill feature. I'm gonna do grill high, all right? We may flip, we may not. Just gonna see how it goes. Shouldn't take more than 5 or 10 minutes, but it's really simple. We got butter on the bread. I'm just using that good old American cheese. And I know people have told me to use mayonnaise instead of butter on the outside. I'm sorry, I just can't bring myself to doing it. You're gonna tell me you can't taste it, but I know you can taste it, all right? So, and I got, 5 finicky kids that will be able to tell me they can taste the mayonnaise on it too, all right? So, let's get over to the Ninja Foodie Grill station and let's get it on. All right, let's get these on. We're gonna use the grill setting. We're gonna use high. It's already set for 10 minutes, right? Piece of cake, hit start. All right, the original over here, I'm gonna turn it on. Foodie Grill high right there. Time is set at 10 minutes also. I'm gonna hit start. Got our piles of bread. Got our Kraft singles. Got our lactose-free butter, because why not? And that's it. As we get these Foodie Grills up to temperature, we're gonna start buttering up the bread. Gonna butter the bottom side, and then we're gonna build them in the grills. So we're gonna put 4 in the XL and 2 in the original. And like I said, it shouldn't take more than 5 minutes on each of them. All right, so this is me buttering the bread. All right, so we're putting ample amounts of butter. This is real cooking, boys and girls here. All right. We don't mess around here. We really do cook over here. And by cook, I mean prepare. Getting a good lesson. So these are the bottom pieces that are gonna go on the grill. We're gonna unwrap the cheese, throw them in there. We'll do 2 slices per. We are using a lot of butter. If you don't like that, to each their own. I'm not gonna get mad at you. I can't believe I'm doing a tutorial on making grilled cheese. Yeah, peanut butter and jelly.
So you do it like a great puree.
Oh yeah. Sorry guys, my son T-Bone's helping me out over here. Trent's here. Home from school. What's up?
Helps with the stronger.
Help, yeah. He's my original producer. I'm gonna butter the other sides. Obviously, you guys don't need to see that. Come on back when these are all heated up. We're both heated up, ready to go. So we can get these, hear the sizzle. Sizzle, sizzle. Get some cheese on these bad boys. Cheese. We're gonna do 2 slices, 'cause I like cheese. Kill me. Both of these heated up pretty much about the same time. The XL was preheated quicker by like 30 seconds. And we use the same temperatures on them. Right, last one. I'm gonna cap them up. Go. All right, shut this one down. Got a different view over here. We're gonna add the little one. Sizzle. Turn it this way. There we go. And that's steam, it's not smoke, so don't everybody freak out. The butter is getting steamed, heating in there. We ain't burning. All right, cap them up. Cap the other one. All right, shut it down. We're gonna check it every like 2 to 3 minutes. All right, guys, 5 minutes in, we are ready to go. You can kind of see here, it's pretty even. This one over here on the edge, not so much. The other one still has about 20 seconds to go, but we're looking pretty good in here. Not bad at all. But again, it's not even in there. You can see it's, on this one, it's half the toast. This one got the full toast. This one's pretty full, but this one right here is missing it, all together. So not quite as even. We'll check out the other one next. Okay, so this is 5 minutes on this one. We got a little bit got a little dark over here, a little dark. All right, so we should have gone about 4 minutes, but you can see we got, it's relatively even. Obviously, there's a lot more heat being put down on these. It's more condensed heat here in this original Foodie Grill. All right, so we'll get these out on the cutting board, cut into them. I'm sure there's at least one kid that don't mind it a little dark. All right, come on back. Okay, let's get these out and get them on the cutting board. In case you wanted to see the bottom, we got the grill marks. Dig it. So, but you could tell this one isn't as toasted as this one that was up in the top corner. But we got killer grill marks. All right, I'm gonna get these out here, get them plated up, take a picture. We'll come back and taste test them. And of course, I needed a big ass knife to cut into them. Totally overkill. I hope I've given you guys sufficient looks at these. I mean, it's toasted. We're looking good. It's a grilled cheese. Of course, we're using a sick big old knife. It's the cheesiest. Looking good. But I mean, you could tell 100%. This is the OG. This is the XL right here, okay? You can tell there's the heating element being so close and so contained in there. It obviously shows you that this, grills up a little bit better. If you want to look at the grill marks, okay, we'll just move these sandwiches all over. All right, so this is the grill marks from the original. It's the grill marks from the XL. A lot more heat, obviously a lot more char. Okay, all right, guys. I had to taste one for you. I mean, but what's not to love? Buttered bread with that plastic cheese on it. It's crunchy. I mean, seriously, what's not to love? Okay, I think I'm digging the original more than the XL right now. That's just kind of how I'm feeling. I tell a lot of people that if you do a lot of grilling, then the XL is for you. If you use all the other features more, then stick with the original. I think you'll be happy with it. But either way, if you want to check them out and get your own, you won't have yours yet, the link's down below to Ninja Kitchen. It's my affiliate link. Get a little extra on it. No big deal, but it doesn't cost you anything else. And they're doing tons of Cyber Week sales right now, coming up on Christmas. Someone in your life has got to want to love one of these. So if you want to get one of these personalized cutting boards, again, they make a great gift for Christmas. And it's not personalized to Cooking with CJ. It's personalized to you, okay? I've had people ask that before, okay? No, we're not buying Cooking with CJ cutting boards. All right. The knife, of course, I went out overboard cutting these sandwiches up, but got my big old Doll Strong knife. Again, links down below. If you want to become part of CJ's crew for real here on YouTube, hit that join button. Couple good perks in there, behind the scenes stuff. You hit that top tier, I send you one of these Cooking with CJ hats. Guys, help out the channel, support your guy. All right, listen. That's it for this week. Stay tuned for more of this versus series that we're gonna do between the original and the XL. Got more coming, all right? Thank y'all for stopping by. Thanks for Cooking with CJ. Take care.